Hey guys, welcome back to another cleaning video. Today I'm going to be cleaning my master bathroom, and the first thing that I always do is just clear off the countertops, put everything away, and then we can get into the cleaning. And as always, I'm going to list all the products used and mentioned down below in the description box. So I'm just going to be quiet now, and then I'll just chime in whenever I feel like something is worth sharing. I did just clean my makeup brushes, and leave me a comment down below if you'd be interested in seeing a video on how I clean my makeup brushes. I'd be more than happy to do one. I love using the Scotch-Brite non-scratch sponges for cleaning. I buy like an 18 pack from BJ's, and if you have a coupon, it comes out to like, I don't know, under $10. It's super cheap, and they're just so awesome for cleaning. I just thought it was worth mentioning. Another thing worth mentioning, if you have quartz countertops, I have quartz countertops in my bathroom and around my shower and my tub. Don't go out and buy a fancy quartz cleaner. Just mix dish soap and water into a spray bottle. Just literally 2 or 3 drops of dish soap, and it's perfect for cleaning the counters. It does such a great job, and it's really gentle on the counters. Quartz is really easy to maintain because it's non-porous. So yeah, I just figured that that was worth noting. And another trick, if you want to get your faucets looking super sparkly, just mix some IPA rubbing alcohol that you would just buy at the store and mix it in with a little bit of water, put it on a microfiber cloth like one I'm using there, and just rub it on your faucets. This also works really good for like your shower head and in your shower as well. It removes all of the water spots and any streaks and just makes them look like they're brand new again. Same trick here with the rubbing alcohol and water mixed together. If you don't have Windex in the house, really, really great glass cleaner and mirror cleaner. So definitely try that out the next time you don't have Windex. So moving on to cleaning the shower, I always use just dish soap and water in a spray bottle to clean my shower surround. And then also I have some quartz in my shower and I use it to clean that as well. It's just super gentle and it gets the job done. My shower cleaning game has 100% changed since I got the new shower with the retractable head. It just makes cleaning the shower so much easier. But anyway, so to clean the shower pan, my shower pan is marble and I just use a little bit of dish soap, mix it in with some water. It's gentle enough. My marble is sealed and I also sealed the grout. And then I'll go back in there and I'll use a magic eraser to get in and clean the grout because we did use like a white grout, so I like to make sure it stays white. So the magic eraser is really good for that. All right, guys. So for the shower glass, I have frameless shower glass doors, and they will build up with soap scum and mineral deposits. I like to use vinegar, so I'll just use pure white distilled vinegar, and then I'll also mix some dish soap in a water bottle, and I'll combine the two and just use that same sponge and just scrub it in, and then just kind of rinse it off with the water. And the key to getting your glass to look like when it was first installed and sparkling is to use either some Windex or any type of glass cleaner. I actually ran out, so I am using rubbing alcohol mixed with some water. And you just spray that on the glass. It removes any cleaning residue, it removes any streaking that you had, and just makes the glass look perfect. And another one of my favorite tips is to pick up a squeegee and a pack of towels. I just keep the towels, I'll keep like one or two in my bathroom. After I'm done showering, I wipe down all the soap scum, all the water, so then those hard water stains don't develop on the glass, and then you don't have to constantly really get in there and scrub because all that gunk and buildup won't develop in the first place. I'll link the exact squeegee, and you can just pick up the towels, like the microfiber or just the little hand towels. I picked up a pack of like 20 from Costco, and they're white, so I can bleach them. It's easy, it's quick. Definitely try that out. Okay, so by now you know the drill with the quartz surround. I use just dish soap mixed with water, and then in the bathtub, I am using Comet today. I am trying to get through the cleaning products that I have before I go and buy new. Because I have an abundance of cleaning products, I tend to get a little bit obsessed and I like to try new cleaning products, and then I just have a bunch stacked up and I just want to get through everything I have first before I go out and buy new. So that's kind of a new challenge that I'm on right now, is just getting through what I have. All right, guys, that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys found this video motivating. And hey, leave me a comment down below. Let me know your favorite cleaning products and share your top tips for cleaning your bathroom down below. I'll see you guys in my next one.